Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if PDF translation is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started translating our files. We have the settings option right here to manage how our application works and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix any PDF translation issues. So basically guys, what we want to do is ensure the file is not scanned, because you use OCR if necessary, and you want to make sure it is under 5 megabytes for free users. If you have a premium plan, what you can do is also make sure it's under 10 megabytes. You have a bit more space to work with, but basically what you want to do is make sure the file is scanned correctly. So you can use OCR if it's necessary. Use your camera to scan the file. Right here you have the camera option on the main page from where you can get started scanning, and then you can go ahead and upload your file. So after checking the file limitations and disabling any firewall that might be blocking this option right here for it not to work, what you can do if it still isn't working, go to the settings tab, search the help center option right here at the bottom of the screen and contact them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to explain to you how to fix it and how to get it working. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.